Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the AE build number and immediately make a full backup of the original MBL files. This protects you if something breaks. Once done, export the current palette and a reference texture at 1024 x 1024 so color shifts are predictable. Next, install the hex editor, texture importer, and AE mod kit. These are the only tools you need. You're beginning with precise inputs, because small numeric offsets later will determine accurate color mapping. You now open the MBL in the hex editor and locate the color table offset. This is where palette entries live. Once found, edit the R, G, B values using 0-255 numeric entries. Change one channel at a time so you can see effect. Make sure alpha remains consistent to avoid transparency issues. After editing, import the modified textures with the AE mod kit and preview them in the dev renderer. This step-by-step control prevents banding and unintended hue shifts. You finish by repacking the modified MBL and loading it into a dedicated test scene. Play through real scenarios to confirm color fidelity and lighting interactions. Once done, compare original versus modified in a split-screen view to spot subtle differences. If colors look off, revert to your backup and check offset math, common issue, and off by 1 byte shift. Make small fixes, re-import, and retest. If problems persist, restore backups and re-extract the palette to validate integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.